Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Thursday morning? It is the 9th day of December. We're 16 days away from the big day now, and here are the weather headlines. I think much of this day is dry and fairly comfortable after the fog this morning, and then scattered thunderstorms tonight ahead of a northward moving warm front. Behind that front, a very unusually warm Friday. Could we touch 80 degrees? It's possible. And of course, everybody's talking about the main event on Saturday as that strong front moves through the state with showers and thunderstorms and a marginal severe weather risk as well. What about the timing? There's a lot of Christmas festivities and everything depends on the timing. I'll do my best to try to pin it down as much as we can. Once again this morning, and no surprise with the wet grounds we have in place, we have a dense fog advisory in central and south Alabama. All but the extreme southeastern counties are included until 9 a.m. this morning. Take it easy out there. Otherwise, I think much of today will be dry. We'll be in the upper 60s. That's pretty nice for December. You see that warm front there around Mobile moving northward. That'll be responsible for scattered showers and thunderstorms tonight across the area. And there's where the front will be tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. The front will be in North Alabama. Will be very warm Friday, perhaps near 80. Here's the main event Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms out ahead of a strong front, much like we had on Monday, all right? A very similar scenario. So this is future radar starting at 5 o'clock this afternoon and going until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Scattered showers and thunderstorms along that northward moving warm front. Nothing severe, just thunder and lightning in some places, and that will continue in the overnight hours. So mostly cloudy today, generally dry, high in the upper 60s. 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms tonight, low 60. Tomorrow behind the front, very warm Friday, upper 70s at least, maybe near 80, with a few spotty thunderstorms here and there on Friday. And this is the Storm Prediction Center through 6 a.m. Saturday, showing the risk of severe weather as far as Tuscaloosa, Birmingham at that hour. That gives me an idea of some of their confidence on the timing of that front. And then during the day on Saturday, we are right now in a level 1 risk, marginal severe weather risk, damaging wind gusts, maybe a spin-up tornado or two ahead of the front on Saturday. So we're going to be very watchful. This is one of the models. This is the GFS Saturday, and that's really about noon, Saturday noon that should be. And you can see where the line of storms could be around the lunchtime hour on the GFS. It's the fastest with the movement. The NAM, another model, is about 3 hours or 2.5, 3 hours slower than the GFS. So some question on when it will move through, but that's a critical time. There's so much going on Saturday. Here's the GFS Saturday at 6 p.m. showing the front into southeast Alabama. And behind it on Sunday, some much cooler air. We're only in the 50s for a high on Sunday, but that starts a string of some very nice days beginning Sunday and continuing for a long time. Rainfall over the next 4 days. Well, some places in South Alabama could see 2 to 4 inches on top of what we've already had this week. Some of us 1 to 2 inches. So another drencher on Saturday. We're looking ahead with a high around 80 tomorrow and scattered thunderstorms, and mid to upper 70s on Saturday with the showers and strong storms moving through. Then much cooler on Sunday. 57 is the high. Monday morning is the coolest morning at 35. Then we're into the low 60s. And then near 70 on Tuesday. That starts a nice string of days. In fact, let me show you the model blend. This is out 10 days, showing that warm day tomorrow, and then much cooler on Sunday, and that chilly Monday morning at 35. And then we start a nice warming trend next week with storm-free weather, into the 70s. So I like that a lot. That's something to look forward to next week. With all this active weather coming in, our free weather app will keep you on top of the action with instant push notifications for any severe weather alerts, radar, future radar, plus you can add layers, see where the lightning is. It's a lot of great stuff. Hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, access to the videos and blogs. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. Get it on your phone or tablet today. Okay, so again, the big thing on Saturday is the timing of the main line of storms as it moves through, and that's going to affect a lot of plans around the area. So I'll do my best as we get closer and closer to Saturday. We'll keep you up to date on the changing timeline of that particular line. I'd like to get it through here early rather than later. So check out my video tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. That's our regular morning show, and you'll find us on TV. Watch us on the Alabama News Network on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Take it easy out there. Watch for the fog. It's going to be thick in some spots, and I'll see you tomorrow.